Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Amazon Prime Video account to start streaming movies and TV shows, follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit primevideo.com or open the Prime Video app on your smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device to access the service. Step 2. Log in using your Amazon account credentials. Prime Video is included with Amazon Prime membership or can be subscribed to separately if you only want the video service. Step 3. If this is your first time accessing Prime Video, you may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Amazon and click the confirmation link. Step 4. If you're signing up for Prime Video as a standalone service without full Prime membership, you'll need to provide payment information during the registration process. Step 5. Verify your payment method by entering a valid credit card, debit card, or linking your bank account. Amazon may make a small authorization charge to verify the payment method. Step 6. Set up your viewing preferences by creating profiles for different household members if desired. This allows personalized recommendations and watch history for each viewer. Step 7. If accessing Prime Video on a new device, you may need to enter a verification code displayed on your screen. Go to primevideo.com/mytv on a computer and enter the code. Step 8. For streaming devices like Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV, follow the device-specific instructions to link your Amazon account by entering your credentials or verification code. Step 9. Once logged in, verify that your Prime Video subscription is active by checking your account settings and confirming your membership status and billing information. Step 10. Start browsing the Prime Video library and enjoy streaming thousands of movies, TV shows, and original content. You can now download content for offline viewing on mobile devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.